Hello, Mrs. Beth here with your instructions for today. Do not forget to report your attendance here, and your video that I'm recording is going to be right here. For your actividad inicial, you're going to go to this photo, and you need to probably find the information in your Google form that you fill for the video historia 1B, and find out cómo es chica misteriosa, what she is like. In that video, she says 3 adjectives to describe her personality traits, and you, the ones for chica misteriosa. You're going to find them, and you're going to type them here. So that's your challenge. Then we're going to go over the grama activa and the grammatical notes that we started seeing last time we touched this part. And we're going to complete this activity. We're going to do it in your class. I'm going to help you with this, but I want to give you the instructions for the how to do it. So it has 2 sections, and this Actividad 1B6, there's a part A, and this is the modelo. So it's giving you the instructions, says look at the drawings and decide they represent masculine or feminine words. Then label the item in the space provided. Don't forget to use the appropriate indefinite article, un or una. So if you see this image, you're going to label it with un profesor. That's it. And then you're going to go and see all the images you may need to use your first vocabulary if you don't remember how to say these words in Spanish, because they need to be spelled right in order to get the answer right. So you had those. And let's pause this. So I went ahead and pause the video and answer the questions. So you see, I have an article and a noun. So that's all that you have to do there. And then you go to the next section. When you go to the next section, it says, this is your part B, sorry. Now look at the drawings below and describe each person. Make sure to use all the words from the word bank. Here's your word bank. So you have nouns on the top row, and then you have adjectives in the bottom row. So you're gonna make sure all the words from the word, you use all the words from the word bank. Don't forget to use the correct definite article. So you are building sentences. It's different from the first activity. You are building sentences in this one. It's not just a single phrase. So you're gonna need your noun from here, and then you're gonna need your adjective. But also you had to add your article, and it says here definite article el or la, and you're gonna need to add the verb es. That means is. And do not forget that because you are building a sentence, it's beginning of the sentence with a capital initial, and then the end of the sentence is with a period. So you have different sentences here, different images here that are going to give you the ideas for your sentences. The key for this is to use all these words. So you're going to see which of these words describes better the picture, which of these words. And I put the masculine and feminine form in case that you need masculine or feminine form, depending on the subject that you see in the images, in the pictures. I told you I'll be helping you with this. So any questions that you have, you can ask me during class, and we can finish our activity today. I'll see you during class. Please connect. It's important to connect. I'll see you later.